Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 1.1 question number 3. Dear student, in the previous video we had completed exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. Hope you people understood the question. Now in today's video we are going to see question number 3 explanation with solution. Okay. So dear student, ask me the doubt if you are having through my WhatsApp number. Okay. What is the question number 3 over here from exercise 1.1 chapter number 1 integer. At Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degree Celsius on Monday. Here the temperature of Srinagar is given how much? 5 degree minus 5 degree Celsius on Monday. Okay. A city we are having, name of the city is Srinagar, and on Monday the temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 degree centigrade. Clear? Now, then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Thursday. Dropped that means 2 degrees Celsius it decreases. Okay. First on Monday, Srinagar, we are talking about Srinagar city, isn't it? On Monday, the temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 degrees centigrade. Okay. On Tuesday, it dropped. It dropped by 2 degrees centigrade. Dropped, that means temperature decreases. Okay. So, what is the temperature on Tuesday? Have you understood the question? It is clearly said in the question that on Monday the temperature is minus 5 degree centigrade, but on Tuesday 2 degree centigrade temperature is dropped. मतलब ये कि Monday minus 5 degree centigrade temperature है, but Tuesday 2 degree centigrade temperature कम हो गया. Dropped, that means decreases. So what will be the temperature on Tuesday? Okay, so question here, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So it is very simple. As the temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees centigrade, the temperature falls down, that is 2 degrees Celsius. So it will be get subtracted. So what will be that? It will be minus 7 degrees Celsius, the temperature on Tuesday. Okay. Now again in the question it is asked that on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. ROSE, rose. It means what? It increases. Okay. Dropped, that means decreased. Rose means it increases. Okay. So on Wednesday it increases by 4 degrees centigrade temperature. What was the temperature on this day? On this day, that means the temperature will be, what will be the temperature will be on Wednesday? Since the temperature on Monday we are having minus 5 degree temperature, on Tuesday the temperature decreases by, dropped, that means decreases by 2 degrees centigrade, that means Tuesday the temperature will be minus 7 degrees centigrade. Now on Wednesday the temperature, what will be the temperature? If 4 degrees centigrade temperature will be rose, that means increase, that means plus sign will become, decrease, drop, that means minus sign will come. So the temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degree Celsius. Now the temperature rose 4 degrees Celsius, that will be plus 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore the temperature on Wednesday will be minus and plus will be minus. Okay. So 7 minus 4 will be how much? 3 degrees Celsius. And since the 7 is a greater number than 4, so sign of 7 will come in the answer. As you know that whatever the number, whichever the number is greater, that sign comes in the answer. Okay. So have you understood the question? What is said? It is said very clearly. It is said that on Srinagar is a city. So the temperature on Monday of the city Srinagar is minus 5 degree temperature. On Tuesday that temperature of the city is dropped. Dropped means decreases. Okay. Since the temperature is dropped, decreases, hence we are having minus 2 degree temperature. Therefore the temperature on Tuesday will be minus 5 degree centigrade minus 2 degree centigrade is equals to, as we know that minus and minus will become plus. So here minus 5 degree centigrade minus 2 degree centigrade will become minus 7 degree centigrade. Okay. Now it is said in the question that temperature will be rose on Wednesday. How much it rose? Rose, that means increases. 4 degree temperature is increases, isn't it? So what is the temperature on Tuesday? That is minus 7 degrees centigrade will be added with 4 degrees centigrade. Since it is said rose, R-O-S-E, rose, that means increased. Increase means plus sign will come. Dropped, that means minus sign will come. Have you understood? So minus 7 degrees centigrade plus 4 degrees centigrade will be minus 3 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees centigrade and minus 3 degree centigrade respectively. So have you understood this question? Now, let's see the solution of the next question 4. Okay, here is the question number 4 we are having on the screen. What is said here? A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. What is said? A plane is there. Okay, this one is a plane. Okay, it flies 5,000 high. This one is the sea level. This is a sea, isn't it? This one is a sea, but the sea level will be this one, isn't it? This is the level, sea level. Okay, now it is said that from the sea level the plane flies at the height of, that means from the level to the height of plane is how much? 5,000 meter. Clear the question? Now, at a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine. Submarine, everybody know. This one is a submarine. Okay, one is a submarine, which is exactly above the submarine. That means exactly at the top of submarine. Okay, floating at 1200 meter deep. 1200 meter deep. That means this is the level of the sea, and the position of the submarine inside the sea will be 1200. So the position of submarine is 1200, that is 1200 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level, that means sea ke andar. Okay, what is the vertical distance between them? That means what is the vertical distance between them? The vertical, that means this is the straight. This is the position of submarine. This is the position of plane. Now you have to tell what is the distance between this vertical, isn't it? So that means what you have to do, student, you have to add it. Clear? What is the vertical distance between them? That means the distance between the plane and the submarine, it is asked. Okay, so let's see the solution. Since here is the solution, what we are having, the height of the plane we are having as. Before starting the solution, I would like to tell you, as it is asked about the vertical distance between plane and the submarine. This is the distance it is asked. Now, this is the sea level. This one is the sea level. Above, that means the distance will be added. Below the sea level, that means the distance will be subtracted. ठीक है, अगर सी लेवल के जितने ऊपर जाते जाएंगे, जितना भी डिस्टेंस होगा वो प्लस में आता जाएगा, एडेड होता जाएगा. सी लेवल के नीचे जितना जाते जाएंगे वो जो डिस्टेंस है वो नेगेटिव में आता जाएगा, माइनस. क्लियर? ना, वी आर हैविंग द हाइट ऑफ द प्लेन इज 500 मीटर, 5,000 meter, not 500. Height of the plane is 5,000 meter. Depth of the submarine is 1200 meter. Now you can very clear, you can ask me the question that teacher, why here minus is coming? So dear student, since it is below the sea level, this submarine is below the sea level, that's why it is coming minus. And this plane is above the sea level, that's why it is coming plus. Understood? Submarine is below, so minus sign will come. Then plane is above the sea level, so here it will be plus sign come. Clear? Now, since it is asked about the distance between the plane and the submarine, so what will be we have to do? Distance it is asked, so 5,000 meter minus distance of the submarine is minus 1200 meter. Now, open the bracket, 500 meter minus and minus will be plus, then it will be 1200. Clear? So add the number, what you will get, that is 6200 meter, that means 6200 meter, that is 62 meter is the vertical distance. That's why I said it will be actually added, isn't it? So have you understood it? Clear, student? I don't think any confusion will be there about the sign. Okay, don't get confused about the sign, because above the sea level it will be added, below the sea level it will be minus. Okay, above the sea level the sign will be plus, below the sea level the sign will be minus. And since the distance between plane and submarine is asked, therefore the minus will be done, is to be taken up here. Clear? Hope you people understood the solution. Thus, the distance between the plane and the submarine is 6200 meter. Clear, everyone? Now we are going to see the question number 5. Here is the question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdrawal rupees 1642 from it the next day. So before explaining this question, I would like to explain you the meaning of deposit and withdrawal. So dear student, deposit, that means we are going to submit our money to in our account. Withdrawal, that means whatever the amount is needed for the expansion, we are going to take it, okay, from the bank. So this is the meaning of deposit and withdrawal. So in this question, here it is said that Mohan is going to deposit how much rupees? That is 2000 rupees he is going to deposit. And he is going to withdraw how much rupees? That is 1642 rupees in the next day. Next day, that means दूसरे दिन. If withdrawal of amount from his account is presented by negative integer. Now you will ask me, teacher, why it is presented by the negative integer? So dear student, suppose I am having 5000 amount with me, okay, and 2000 amount is going to be withdrawal from my bank. Then how much amount is going to be left in my account? Obviously that means 5000 minus 2000 will be 3000 amount is left. So withdrawal, that means it will be taken as minus. Okay, it will be taken as minus. And deposit, that means I am going to save it for my future. So that means it will become addition. Plus sign will become with the deposit and withdrawal sign, that means minus will come. Clear, everyone? Then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. Now here it is asked that what is the total amount Mohan is having in his account after withdrawal. Have you understood? That means if he is going to deposit, total amount in his account is 2000, and after deposition of the amount 2000, on next day he is going to withdraw 1642 rupees. If the withdrawal amount is taken as negative, then what is the amount left in his account? So for that, what you are going to do? You have to do the calculation. So balance in Mohan's account is equals to money deposited plus money withdrawal is equals to money deposited, we are having 2000, okay, then money withdrawal is minus 1642 rupees. So 2000 plus and minus will be minus 1642 rupees. So what is the answer? That is rupees 3500 and 3050, not 3000, sorry, it is 358 rupees. Have you understood? So dear student, what is the amount left with in Mohan's account? That is 358 rupees. Have you understood? Here the solution is given. I had explained the solution. If any doubt is there, can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Okay. Since the amount withdrawn is represented by the negative integer, the amount deposited represented by the positive integer. This is obviously, isn't it? I had told you beforehand also. So deposited is rupees 2000, withdrawal is rupees 1642. So you can see the calculation over here. So what is therefore the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358 rupees. Clear, everyone? next question here. Next question we are having, that is question number 6. Here the question number 6 says that Rita goes 200 kilometers towards east. Okay. From a point A to the point B. Clear? Rita goes 200 kilometers. This you can see, Rita is here. Rita goes from a point, if A is the point, to the point B. Okay. Here if Rita is going to stand at point A, then he is going to move at east at point B. And this is east. This is west. Okay. Now how much distance she is going to travel towards east is, that is 20 kilometers. Okay. Rita is standing at the position of Rita right now is A. Now according to the question, Rita is going to move towards east and he stopped at point B. So what is the distance from A to B? That is 20 kilometers. Okay, have you understood? She moves 30 kilometers towards the west along the same road. Along the same road, that means he is going to move, return. Okay, like this it going to be written towards the west. So how much distance she used to travel? That is 30 kilometer towards the west. Okay, if the distance towards the east is represented by the positive integer. Why it is said that it will be represented by the positive integer? Because you can see that this is, if suppose this is a number line, here the right hand side all the numbers will be taken as positive, and on the left hand side all the numbers are taken as a negative, isn't it? That's why here 20 kilometers will be taken as a positive integers, and since it turns back towards the west, then it will be taken as, this 30 will be taken as negative integer. Have you understood why minus 30 is taken as a negative integer and 20 kilometer is taken as a positive integer? Due to the directions of the due to the directions, whatever the directions is given in the questions, according to that it is. Okay. Now how much it is asked, that how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final positions from A? So let's see the solution. Have you understood up to here? So let's see. Since in the question solution is given here, since the distance towards east is represented by the positive integer, toward east is represented by positive integer, and towards west it is represented as negative integer. Okay. Therefore, distance travelled in west direction will be minus 30. Distance travelled in the east direction will be 20 kilometers. Therefore, distance travelled from position A. Actually, we want the final position is here. Rita is standing here. How much distance she used to travel? That we have to find it, isn't it? So, for that what we are going to do? 20 kilometers plus minus 30 kilometers. Total distance she used to travel. That's why we are going to add it, isn't it? So, when you are going to open the bracket, minus, plus and minus will be minus. So, 30 kilometers. So, how much distance? That is 10 kilometers distance we are getting in the answer. Clear everyone? Have you understood? Therefore, we will represent the distance travelled by Rita from A by a negative integers, that is minus 10 degree by, sorry, not degree, it is kilometer, by a negative integer, that is minus 10 kilometers, that is Rita is now in west direction. Since the answer is coming minus, that means the direction of Rita will be at west. If the answer will come in the positive number, that is plus 10, if it will become, that means the direction of Rita will be west side. Since the answer is coming, sorry, east side. If the answer is in positive, that means plus 10 kilometer. If suppose the answer will be, that means Rita's position will be east. Since the answer is coming negative, that means minus 10 degree, sorry, minus 10 kilometers. Therefore, the direction of Rita will be west. Clear up to here? So in this way student, we had completed the solutions up to question number 6. Tomorrow we will do the rest other questions. If you are having any doubt, can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Okay. So for today, thank you everyone.